This is Tim here from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the passkey from your Google account. And I'm just using my Android phone. And I'm going to swipe down from the top and go to settings right here. And I'm going to look for Google services. So you can maybe see it right here on the top on your Google Pixel Motorola. On your Samsung phone it's going to be located a little bit down. So we can go to Google services and select this, and we can see our Google account that we're currently signed into right here. We can tap it. And what we want to do is go to our Google account, and we go to Google account right here and just tap those words. Now under here we can see security and sign in. Go to this option, and then we can go on down under here and we can see our passkeys and securities. So if we want to go ahead and remove our passkey, go into this section right here and just simply tap it, and then you should be able to remove it. So you have to verify your account by typing in your lock screen password. So we can do that now. So you got to verify your account, and then if you got any kind of passkeys or anything like that, you can go ahead and just remove them under here. So just click the option, and so you can see there's an edit option right here. So this is my A16, and then you should be able to just simply remove that option from your phone now, or just simply your Google account. So look at it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.